Oh, Garrett, stop. Oh, don't. What? It's funnier if she just does it on her own. I can't even see her because you're standing in the way. Move.
Oh, she ate one.
Now she might go crazy.
Yeah, she's looking for blackberries on the ground.
Remember when we first got her, Daisy was eating the blackberries?
Yeah.
Now she's like a puppy.
Oh, there she
Oh,
goes.
she's like
She was like standing up. That was funny.
she was like
Whoa,
standing up on her feet.
That's so funny.
It's a
I can't believe she isn't getting poked.
Maybe she just doesn't care.
wait.
She gets a good reward.
I see her head kind of like doing this. I see her head kind of doing this.
That's so funny.
She was doing this.
She's like,
That's so
I
funny.
want a snack.
That's so funny.
I'm guessing she's getting poked.
You think she's picking the good ripe ones? Oh, no, she's got a red one there.
She's trying to get
Doesn't
away.
care.
Wait, I had that.
Wait, it's like she
We'll
gets
have to
her.
remember not to eat those ones.
What?
We'll have to remember not to eat those ones if she gets them. And she's putting her mouth all over them. Come on, Daisy, you can do it. Oh, you got one to fall.
She was just like, she's done.
How come she got scared?
Maybe it poked her.
She's like, whoa, that seems freaky.
Oh, she's eating the ripe ones. That's so funny.
She's just like
How come
sitting.
she sat down?
I don't know.
Maybe she was like sitting in front of my clutch feet.
Maybe.
She might have thought they were treats.
Yeah, I have nice treats out here. Can I go out?